because it was a big money besibaningi, and sisho ukuthi lama umuntu mangadabula at least umhlala phansi above 5 or above 7 each sizoyithola.
Meat.
Yeah, ana 700 kuya phezulu, close to a meter. So omunye nomunye uzibhalela ukuthi maybe ngathola 1.2. Yabona, amamiliyoni.
Imalini kwami siyasuka ne-beaches in fact bangifonela, I get a call from them bathi asihlangane. Masiqeda ukuhlangana kuthiwa hayi mfowethu kahle kahle kunento ephumile emedio amanje kushort ikhaya. Ngiyakwa. Now ngoba kushort ikara ngidonsa ikara yami. Ngithayina ikara straight akube siyene imali ngendaba ukuthi kushort ikara. I understand. Asame sizoyiqhokisa. Was it sizoyiqhokisa, we mean that we put another number plate. I understand this. We find a car like that one or that looks the same as that one, and then we get the number plate. So we cut his police. I understand, and then we go. Figure say abang in that way. I understand. Masbamba lendawo sharpu. Siyapaya now was 21 it's just a smaller business area, but in a march TV for lapho as we transit off from there to another point. I understand. So kona lapho sishale onyu mashale yuku siyaphuma grade siyavaya kuna stress akuna le incident ukuthi mhlambe siyachaswa abohata or anything of that sort. I understand. And then sisendleleni siyakwenye indawo ngoba nithi manje asikho satisfied ngalento siyitholela. Lento siyitholela intonyana encane, understand, ama-peanuts. So siyashela le mdayi bafethu awuthofani yandawo esoso endaweni ethile, understand. And indawo yakhona le siyakuyo ise Free State bayibizihene mani, yabo. Sisitshela ukuthi siyanapha kule ndlela le ama-old main road ikari iphenduke lapho. And we were still speeding back driver. Well, ikara ya capsize. My capsize ikara. Obvious nice cutting driver ngibambe the site baby the right. You understand? The weight. So ngane sikati ikara capsize. Mina ngicine iphedu. You understand? And then we shoot slide easy. Masengizwa ama after effects mouth muswaring. Utapela be slide arrange kimene site 81. Ngale site ngila drive. And motor ibheke damage or the wreckage here and there car. Like awatekeka khona kakhulu ungapha mu driver seat. So kusho ukuthi leya part ya phezulu lezenkele la phezulu ngasenya lijikela zongena la. You understand? That's why the scar on the head. And then ngapha lesandla since beyiwe ngeside and then ikhne ayani. So the meaning le lahleka khona. We understand? By saying la mina mangipapa mangiphezu kwe achoose yami. Ungibambe kuphi na win pad. You understand? So I'm on his lap. He's busy waking me up and telling me not to sleep. You understand? Name free 3 kids. Alright, we don't create the conscious yami clear. The consciousness yami clear. So I'm like, man kwenza hana mangithi site morning on the side of the show. We take one asibambe no nalo sukeni la isini. I understand. Hi emergency wafuna hasam. I want asawa lento engiyikhuluma plus manje na ukuthi isabelo ukuthi lo akekho yikho mindful of what actually is taking place. We understand. Mawuthi yasukuma nalo omunye ngitshela ungidalisa ngapha kwestrata. Same time khona lapho lengamlimili yafona. Mina ngithi kuwe madoda khipha izazito ngayo ebhuthi. Ile bhuthi phakathi kwesabo kunamagani. Kunenyosi. Yabo lezi zinto sizenze masuka kule sales drive some kilometers. So ukuthi sihide phela singaze siseshe ukuthola kanti izinto savula isaphufu safaka inyuku safaka ama firearm phakathi. yabo. So ukuthi kuhide-ke lezi zinto lezi sengitshela ama-out bafethu hayi fihlani lezi zinto senze thina mase silapho esinini sengikhawutekile yimi futhi engitshela abantu ukuthi amagani lapha kusaphuva khiphani lezi zinto sizokwazi ukuthi sibe right. Bayakhipha amagani nenyuko manje ngeke bamela ngophethe evidence ese-crime. You understand? Ngapha nayo ingami on the side of the road and is on the phone. Actually trying to assist abantu ababe involved with car accident. You understand? I'm out. Kona lapho washiya lengami lashiya mina ayahlasatha. Vele bengekho anyway. You understand? Yes. Ngoba fanele kube ne-safety kuqala nabalimalanga labantu. Can you believe? Si-3 ekarini umuntu olimalayo 1 out yamenye yascratcheka la lo munye uphuma clean. Ngoba kahle lemuva backseat uphuma clean. I understand. And as igebengu zinjalo. When we drive, we don't put on the seat belt. You understand? So yeah, so limala kanjalo lekami la esayidini here fonela i-ambulance. And then ambulance yeza pick up bangise esibhedlela. You understand? Bangistitcha for that night, not even for a night, for a few hours. And then bang transita futhi from lesibhedlela lesi to esinye Bloemfontein. Lesingene kusoqala bese cross that. But umuntu owenze sure ukuthi i-ambulance iyafika and then he goes and drives his own car following the ambulance until the hospital ile yanga. Nafanda ngazigama next I side lana lesi just said ngishiya lo muntu la. I understand the phuma yafa. So at the same time lapho bangistitcha sharp akuna stress. After my hours but I severity of my injury so lo muntu lo. Ingeyindlela. I understand when you condition the wound. We need to fly into Bloemfontein. Vele bangithatha Bloemfontein. Bloemfontein bathene lapho badila nomathambo. They can handle the situation. Ngihlale Bloemfontein. eBloemfontein ngihlale ilimana kuyi-12 zaka March 2010. You understand? So eBloemfontein kusho ukuthi ngihlale from ngalezo 12. Ngeke sicounty 12 so 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 it gives us 13 days then ihlale la nge-25 angabi bathini eligible for ukuthi ngale nto zangana discharge yimi enkoye si doctor uthi I can't be here, I need to go out. Understand? The doctor sekazi ngenkani sekenza izinto ngikani. You understand ukuthi ne hamba uye ekhemisi seka recommended ukuthi bakunikeze ini medication yami le prescription yakhe akunikeza yini. And I go to the pharmacy. Nakhona mangifika ngale pharmacy ngiyabona yo sazoma la yena kune out yami engilandile ehlala khona la ePomfort. You understand? Same time out yami ngiqova siyava ngilethe juice ngifike ngiblome juice nakhona ngifike ledladlini. Lo mane kriza lami kancane nje lelo langa lelo ntambama bakhona bayangithatha mangisendlini bekunocheri ke bengihlala naye. Yeah, vele irefte yami onkito siphila so yabo. Hlala so ngiyakutshela umntwana ukuthi efethu udoctor uthi after 2 days ngidresele ngeke. Yabona? So angazi zofunisa hospital ngicabanga ukuthi hospital maybe they might deal with it better than a private doctor. Because most of my private doctor abantu be la elokishini ama-surgery abantu be-prescription labayana. I understand. But at the same time ngiyazi ba-address amanceba but awuthi siye-Tembisa hospital ngoba yiye ngathi ngibiseduze. Then we go to Tembisa hospital. Masifika eTembisa hospital kuno-doctor now. Uhleli la lo doctor lo instead of attending to me and my injuries and fanele azodwesa the injury. Udoctor uhleli lapho uyazibhalela uthi kimi khumula ibandage. How do I take off my own bandage? And he made me severity pain in my injury one and he made me understand how do I take off my own bandage when I'm the trauma and the accident. You understand? So those are some of the things that we endure in our public hospitals and stuff like that. Understand? So ngiyakhipha ke le bandage ngithi man mase kufika la inamathele khona eskin sekuba nzima phela ngeke uzuzenze kuba ngcono uma ubekezele nomunye umuntu akwenza. Ngithi kule nsize ndengihamba nayo. Befethu khipha le bandage. I don't want to go night malaceta sidayanyanya uyagijima ngiyahlanza. Akwazi ukubekezela le bandage ukuthi ikhiphe. Yazi ngihambe la ngingayikhipha le bandage. Ngavele ngagoqa le bandage nayo kusena back. Sengiyamtshela right enhlekweni yabheka. Yabona manje flop yami. Ngithuka ukuthi ngaba umuntu ongathi manje abe cruel to the core. You understand? Bengizomshiya la lo mntwana. But ngisitshela into eyi-one ukuthi ayazi nathi ngivaye naye plus size nge-public transport. Yabona? Ethi ngivaye naye sivele sivaye siye kuphi ngimdrophe ne. Yabo. Angidrophe ngikwatile blind, mangidrophe endlini ngifika ngibize i-out yami emfethu uzwakala yikwami ngisetleving ngaleso sikhathi iyazwakala. Mayizwakala ngitshele ngene emotweni shaya imoto ngithatha ungise lapho kunenye paramedic clinic lapha ngase eBhoni emuva kwespa. Yabo kunale medic clinic. Dabe ku-operate abo-doctor bamanaye ja ini nani nani. Yabo mangifika la kulezana ngisitshele bafethu ama-pain angiphethe la anzima kakhulu ngifuna ipilisi eli-strong. Hayi manje lezi zinto ziphuma i-prescription ngithi mfethu awutsheli i-prescription ngikhiphe inyuku. Bayangenzela into abangenzela and bayangidressa grand. Understand like now you can imagine cabanga umuntu la i-skin graft yabona. So bathatha i-skin from the thigh bavala nethambo bafaka ama-stitch all round. Now uyabona ukuthi kunjani akufani nana or anyway bekuvulekile kunale nyama ebovu. You understand? Now uyabona kule mino la ngaphezulu kunjani inyama yana ngaphansi. So now everywhere umuntu except for the thumb unama stitches. Now you can imagine ukuthi if lo muntu alimele kanje ngapho limele nasekhanda ngapho limele na with thigh obvious skin graft that thing ipain yakhona inswemu. You understand? So you can imagine ukuthi ngilimele kangakanani and ipain engiyifila engakanani. Nabantu bangishaya ngama-drugs engingawa-prescribe wrong idoctor but engazi ukuthi azosiza. I understand? Angivaye nalezo sithumbana mhlawumbe uma-80 pills engiphuma nawo lapho leya. Ashapha kuna-story awuthiyayo bayeza bamlanda lapha ngimi. Yabona? Uyashapha kuna-story sengihleli nale nsiza one day kusasa ama-outer ayabhela. Ndoda ukuphi angisengishini esiyeza sokubona sizwile bathi uphumile ukuthi mabafika ama-out bathi athina sisayi-round. Manje ngiyosala kanjani mina mfethu ngapha ngiyabona nemali vele iyaphansi. I understand and not necessarily ukuthi it was a matter of greed or anything of that sort, but that thing yokuthi I'm accustomed to indaba yenyu. Yeah, I understand. So I wouldn't actually let the opportunity go. Instead ngibona kahle ukuthi hayi fanele ngiye nama-outing zobona ukuthi ngithatha iphi position. Batshele bafethu ngihamba nani. So la kulabantu abazekima akekho ozongitshela ukuthi hayi ungavayi. You understand? Akekho ozothi hayi ungavayi sokuye sikunika imali because ngiyayazi angeke yenzeke leyo nto leyo. Awusemtshami ngene ekarini. Yabo ngene ekarini ishemo bashaya imoto actually ngibambe ifasage. Same ithi labana le ndawo esingena kuyo akusinane business area or ayinsi. You understand? But endlini kunabantu abasuka ku-business area bephethe inyuki. So bayibeka kuphi bayibeka endlini. Yabona masingena endlini alright gate livuliwe masifika kune-car ezithiwe sipakeni ngaphandle. Yabo so ama-out angena kuqala agijimele kuyobaba. Mina ngiqhamuka after la esandleni ngifake ibhili. Let's go. Angena siyabheka ngaphakathi bathokozisa nje la but ngihamba slow mangakutshela the way ngivanga ngakhona ama-footstep wami ngathi awethola. Yabona umntwana omncane ongazi ukuthi wenzani usafunda ukuhamba angikwazi ukushaya istep noma kungathiwa kuthiwe angeke ngigijime angeke ngibaleke angeke ngijoke nokujoka just nje ngizoma ukusuka la uya le-kitchen ungangithatha isikhathi eside la. You understand? Noma ngathiwa ngihamba ngey'ndonga uzokuthatha isikhathi eside ngoba even ngathi ngiphakamisa unyawo bese ngithi nyawo ikhanda lami lizwe pain ngoba ngeke ngihope. Yeah, I understand at the end of the day. So akuna stress. Siyabamba nabantu sharp vele inyuku sithwala sasemabhegini kuyasession akuseshwa khona kuyadotha inyuku yaphuma noma ke ingekho ngahamba ngazathola ukuthini ama 40 ngani Ronaldo then. You understand? Of which is something ukuthi if cognitive element yami was functional, I could have said no, let me just relax. I don't actually need to go anywhere. Here's 40,000. Here's money in the house. Une jewelry lapha in exchange and do this and that and that. You understand? Bengahlala ngizitshela ukuthi angiyarelax. But because of leyo nto nje ukuthi engiyele abantu bahole ngahole. So you want to call it greed, it's greed. You want to call it something else, then it is. Ngoba ya-apply kuyo yonke indawo. I could have been envious of them even before baze bahole, but it was that. You understand? So now, sesivayile, sesidabulile nama-outing yabuya sengihlele endlini. Kusasa, ekuseni, kuthiwa, nayo enye into iyaphuthuma. Angathi nesent kule 40. Sengene ekarini. That's right. Hayi, mina ngikuphasinja angeke ngidrive. Mina ngidrive the way ngingakhona into engingayenza. Engikwazi ukuthi mangifike eroundini abathi sebabambile ngiyandena or mangabe kuyoshawa ibusiness area ngoba i-second round bekuyi-business area. Ufike uyimela emnyango unomathingelana ufake yabona la ehembeni ufake i-panic button. And then lapho ungena umuntu ozophika imali. You understand? So umuntu oyohlatshwa yilo yakungena naye officeini bathatha imali ama-out mina ngisala nalo. And ayikho into engenzeka vele ngamtshela hayi ngizomubulala. Phakamise nje yena ngitshele ndo. Andibulala ungathatha no chance. Futhi imali ngabe ngidonsa ipanic. Ngabe ngimana. Ukuthi uthuse ukuthi ngibhekane njengomuntu ogulayo okwenzakalani you understand angazi. But bengibheke nje emehlweni ngimena. And ukuba nje uvele wathi bephelile nami. Manje akusila waphathi ibhame ubonile ama-out angene sewadonsile. And kunalo la ongasafuna abantu baphume lawo i-crowd yena yabona i-crowd nyane na asivale iminyango phela uma uvala umnyango endaweni engajoyina umvala umnyango what will people say? Abantu will think manje what's happening lapha, why are they shutting doors when in actual fact is business hours? You understand? So izofaka amehlo siyeke njani uma ungena umuntu uyagwinya ukufaka phakathi yena lo control i-crowd. Nami mangisenyanga umsebenzi wami ukuthi mawungena ngibe ngiqhubeka ngapha ngasemuva. But manje ngimenako mina ama-injuries wami allow ukuthi ngenze ama-activity lo. Ama-out mawevela aqhamuka angikushilo. Ngima la uzophuma nabo imali kuqala. Ngizothi mase kuphume nabo imali ngilandele emva kwabo ngene emotweni. Nithi ngiyatotoba ngiyacothoza. Bayangilinda nokungilinda. Even nalo umuntu engibishiye emuva ukuthi ngena uzozafika ekareni kuqala bese kungena mina. Welinye round kuthiwa sala la ekareni. Ngisale ekareni ngibhekela ngaphandle. Kunamantshingela nemnyango just ukubheka nje ukuthi mongaqhamuka something yabo. Ngibona ukuthi ngenza iphi plan. Bengihona kanjani. And lento ngiyenze for approximately 10 days.
Now this is a mall setup. And the mall is like 2 stories in the ground floor and underground. And it's huge. Once again, it's daylight around 11. Because it was a big money, and there's a show ukuthi la umuntu mangadabula at least uhlala phansi above 5 or above 7 each sizoyithola.
Meet.
Yeah, hada 700 to get phezulu close to a meet. So omunye nomunye uzibayela ukuthi ngithola 1.2. Yeah, 1 million. But it wouldn't amount to that because we were too many. I think we were about 15.
And the money was set to be 8 million. I'd be more so I would have ATMs.
And I'm afraid to stay massive. Lo muntu makakuma escalators.
Uyakhuphuka.
Makakhuphuka kuma escalators. Lo kunomuntu okuthiwa Maxman. Obekwe oplacewe ngaphakathi and uhlala le below akayi phezulu. Kunalo okhuphukayo uyehla lo makakhuphuka ushinto ophambana kanje. Lo oyehla kwazi ukubona if lo anenkinga phela ngashawa lapha ema-escalating. You never know. You understand? So lo Maxman ume kule position ayazi ukuthi la kanti kunomunye owesi2 and thina setup besiyazi ukuthi kuno Maxman phansi bese kuba nale out ephakwana nalo kanti kunomunye lawa phezulu. Understand? And then around kunabantu abayi-syndicate or not syndicate, they say undercover. You understand? Ngalento ukuthi hayi kunabanye abantu yilaba thina sinabalile outside ekhaya nalezi ze-escort eziphansi. You understand? So abe-escort already sebanabantu babo bazikuthi laba sebehlabela la emotweni. And ubahlaba is not killing them. Just nje ubathi babambe ngoba ngale ndlela bame ngakhona bayabambeka. You understand? Lo wemoto uzobaleka. But lo weback akana anything to do. Into ayibambile igun nebag. And uyabona umuntu onjalo nasina abafana nalabo. Lo wehlayo uphethe uplatata. Lo mela phezansi uphethe uplatata. Kanti kunomuntu obephezulu. Asitshelwanga ngayo. Uyabona masikhuphuka siyi-2 nesiyohlaba lo muntu. Simhlaba makuphela i-escalate. Escalate abantu stop. In fact makaqeda lento ze-escalate ngingamqhabuka lana wathi uzuqhamuka ngapha siyamhlaba. Lo sekaphakathi uyamela badubule. Yena ukhona lokudubula wayesisi in close proximity with the colleague. You understand? So angeke kube lula ukuthi amanadu nawo umuntu la wenki ene mina sengiphethe umbhekana lwabhekana phela ifana nalama suitcase adonswayo ngiphethe umbhekana ayisindi le nto ngoba ingalento lama escalator ama escalator njani closer to one another ngithi so ufanele ngenzeni ngehlele la lo yakhani ngimbone ngimbheke so ukuthi wayangashuti or kwenzakalani am-understand. Mangiyehla nge-escalator mina bengihleli kulama-ring nawo society. Bengingahlelanga bengekho ama-steps. Le bag yazehlela ngisayibambanga. Because umuntu omele ahlabe lela elilapha ezansi ikhada akasashabanga. Sikhale yabona lo muntu uthe makadubula ukubona ukuthi ayisengiyibani. Yabona enodubula kade nalo achoose so akakwazi uku-aima ukusinda kwami ukuthi akakwazi uku-aima. Ngangifika le ngiyiwa ngirola isaka le sayehla slowly ngama-escalators. Lo muntu lo phansi khani abantu beya kuye ngey'bhamu and sekavelt sikalile isibhamu uhlathi wathi one naloya muntu useyakhala kuye. Yabona but into emnandi ngaleya scene akekho umuntu ofile whether from this side kunomuntu odubulekile kodwa sahamba naye. Understand? Ukhona umuntu ongaphandle kule gang ebamba labo bangaphandle ofike wadubula omunye ehlalele nje phambili okudrive but akambulalanga kwayena but lapho kwakhala isibhamu kakhulu and everyone was mina bekisiphethe but angikhumbuli ngishuta. Uyayibona isine njalo ungazi ukuthi uzoshuta abantu. Ngalisa sengime ngoba sekwenzakele kahle kahle bengizobaleka mara manje kuyabona wehla ku-escalator kunale the hallway le part le mall evulekile ungazi ukuthi uzoya leyo balekele shop or renze normal ku-entrance ngilapho kulelo level nalisaka ngiza mhlawumbe la kumele ngilinde or ngibaleke mara ngina choice mangibaleka siyaqhuma nalisaka phela mase siqhuma it's either ngiyofaka iphethe get reach or die train kind of thing. You understand? Don't see mangidonsa ngiyaphuma ngiyagijima sengiyahamba manje ikara yethu iphakathi yile kari ivene elindile yilaba ababanjiwe la at least le gebengu ezibambe labo bala ngaphandle ngoba laba bayabulala noMaxman uyabulala but labana bayibatatazela nalendlela batatazela ukuthi kusale kwenzakalani lapha but igebengu ziyezavela and sesisindiswa ukuthi kunale igebengu ezinokuthi maze enkonzini before sizofika kule scene ngayizolo and ufike washiya imoto yakhe lapho parking lot or eksini washiya imoto yakhe abanye basinde kanjani abokuthi the rest bangena kule event besihamba ngayo sikhale sayokhala sayofika emarobotini isibhamu manje usikhathi umprotect uyakhala and mawukhala la emuva la uhleli khona so uthe emva kwabantu ngepistili sekuma abantu bomgaka yibo bashaya phambili and yakhala lezo sigaba jophe nabo off ramp kufika kanzima ngokhona abadlule ngeveni angena ku off ramps angena phakathi kwebhasi nayo le bhasi sekushubile phela manje sazi ukuthi ubani ukhavana no driver nasengathathaza so yaba lesipiti nabantu abathathe 2 hours before bazofika la sizofika then manje usazi ukuthi siye safety house or simaleni from safety house you understand so sabloma safety house ila eduze sablomela le people took about 2 hours abanye bafika you understand but waphumeka kanzima la kunabantu abathi